I started my career in nanomedicines probably about 17 years ago in a drug development company, starting with developing lipid nanoparticles on the bench side. And now here I am at Cytiva for the last 3.5 years, doing the same thing with our customers and clients to help them move their drug development programs through the development phase and ultimately into the clinic for manufacturing. On the technical front, we find that our customers are having issues and challenges of where to go next after they've started with the benchtop development. They may not have the capabilities or the expertise of where to move next, and that's where Cytiva services really comes into play. When it comes to the program side of things, we see that their customers are facing issues with spending too much time, effort, and energy having to juggle multiple vendors. So we're talking like vendors like CDMOs, regulatory experts, suppliers, things like that, and that's something that we really feel that we can help with our customers. Cytiva Nanomedicine Center is really one building where we have all the expertise in one place, and we work very synergistically to help our client programs progress through development and ultimately for GMP manufacturing. We are problem solvers, where we love to solve problems, and we want to be leveraging our expertise to catalyze the value for our customers and clients so they can succeed at the end of the day. We have a tiered approach when it comes to the quality control for our customers' batches. It starts from the facility itself. We then move into our quality management systems, so our documentation, our procedures, production procedures, and then it boils down to the people. We have the right expertise, people who have been in the field and in the industry for many years, and they know what it takes to develop a drug product for our clients. I'd say like Cytiva Nanomedicines, when the customers come to us, they come to us knowing that we have reliability and able to solve our clients' problems at the end of the day. So we want to take a tailored approach for our clients and truly understanding what they are asking for and their requirements and be able to solve their needs for them in a faster amount of time. Actually, with one of our client programs, ultimately, we are able to leverage our expertise with our own ionizable lipids and able to kind of place it into the drug product formulation and able to save, I would say, months, if not probably a year of development time for them, not just on the formulation side, but on the manufacturing process. So ultimately, they were able to inject the first human patient ahead of time. I think most days are really good days. I think what really stands out is knowing that we have completed GMP batches for our clients, and they have been released and they've been successfully injected into humans for their clinical trials, and that ultimately is a stepping stone into improving human health. It's the new technology that will save a lot of human lives.